Okay, hey folks, welcome to Wednesday, the 24th of August 2022. Just in new environment here and using different camera. It's coming in and out of focus, so don't hold that one against me. So, listen, quiet morning in Europe here, and then we are about to get durable goods, core durable goods, um, and durable goods headline out of the US in about 4 minutes' time. Not a big one for us, really. So we're really looking towards pending home sales month on month for July out of the US. Coming up at 3 o'clock, and then as per usual, Super Bowl for oil traders every Wednesday, 3:30 GMT. All right, let's get over here and have a look at these charts and see what's been going on. All right, so really want to just go focusing on SPOs, oil, and the euro for this session. And here we are with the euro. Quite a lot going on in terms of the moving averages here. We're just going to take that off. You can see, well, before we take it off, you can see here the 100 EMA coming in on the SPOs here on the 60-minute chart. So, a little bit of support found there this morning has us up 0.1, 0.2 of a percent on the market, but quite a bit of selling there in Asia Pac down into that 100 EMA to find supports. What can we see on the daily chart? I mean, we do go into much more detailed charts when we do the analysis for the team here in Duggan Capital, but look, I mean, for me, I still think we need to press back up into this trend here. I just don't think we're selling down to put in the new low starting from this point. I think we need another press up here to get that. And I mean, what's the catalyst for further downside? Maybe further lockdowns in China, poor forward guidance from multiple companies. We're not really seeing that, but I mean, we're not seeing that, and I think we're finding a bit of value here to just then bounce back on up. I think yesterday, what did I say? I think I said below 40.97s, I'd be looking for the shorts and the breakdown on general consolidation of buying here to come back up. So I think I'd still hold that thesis, and a breakdown on the 40.97s half will bring us basically back down to around 39s and maybe a new low in the bear trend, right? I mean, that's it. Translating this onto a tradable event. Maybe supported pullback on VWAP as it trails up, and then we start to pick up our socks here. Or we could find ourselves having to trade down to the 40.97 half, find the buyers there, and then get back up, which would be, a red letter day for the SPOs, but buying into the remainder of the week. All right, that's it in oil. Well, listen, there's a lot going on in oil at the moment. You're seeing here really good performance on the daily bars. There isn't actually technically a gap here. I don't know why we have a gap at the moment, but we're back into the 50 EMA, the 100 EMA in here. On the daily, you can see that was a target yesterday, so we've hit that this morning at about 9 bells there in London. I think we could cool the jets a little bit of a pullback back onto the 20 EMA at about 91, 92s, and then find the buyers and load up for the push above what see here the level. It's pretty much almost at the high of day, 95.69s on WTI back adjusted. That's the 2011 and 2012 low, so quite an important level. Is it a line in the sand? Kind of, but you're going to have to really have good timing to catch that trade. I'd rather the pullback on the 20 EMA to then get on up to the upside. So that's SPOs and oil, and then just quickly the euro before we go any further. So you see in the euro here, monthly bars. And if I'm just going to let this automatic compress here a little bit, you can see we are now breaching the lows of 2002 in the euro. All right, that is the level that we've kind of left behind this morning in early Asia Pac session. Spot 99.86s there, right? And so really the next destination, shock gas power, is the lows of the year 2000. the year 2000, and the euro really only started trading properly about a year before that. So it's not good. It's not good. Yeah, thank God for having some exposure in the dollar and not all in euro. So, look, I don't think there's much going to save this euro here, to be honest, with the dollar pricing in a lot of risk. So I think watch out for the trend break here on the euro, just up here on your charts, and that will be a break down to S1. If you don't get on the break, I would recommend looking for the pullback onto the trend and then look for further downside. But you're going to need to, you're gonna you're gonna need to you're going to need to really get a good trend break and a catalyst for the dollar to strengthen to get into that trade. All right, I'm going to leave it there. Core durable goods orders just coming out. What are we getting? Core durable goods orders month on month beat 0.3 over 0.2, and the headline flat 0 against 0.6 expectation. So yeah, pretty poor data there out of the U.S. economy. Defense or durables excluding defense rising 1.2% over prior 0.7. Yeah, so some kind of mixed to poor data there out of the US. All right, going to leave it there for today's session. Be careful out there, as always. Jackson Hole coming on Friday. Probably a lot of volatility towards the US session on Friday because of that. And, probably best to sit in your hands until you see the supermodel trades jump out at you. Okay, listen, have a great session. I'll talk to you later.